After a software update, some settings can quietly change in the background, and most people don't think to review them. That's why it's worth doing a quick privacy check. What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. So once you finish updating your Samsung phone, go ahead and check the settings. Let's go ahead and open settings, scroll down, then go to Google, and then click on all services. Now from here, find personalized share data. Updates can sometimes switch these options back on, which means your activity and usage data might start being shared again. So it's a good idea to turn off anything you're not comfortable with. Next, go back to main settings menu and open privacy and security. Now look for auto blocker and enable it. This adds an extra layer of protection against suspicious apps and unwanted installations. It only takes a minute but can keep your phone more secure. Try tracking this after your next update. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please follow and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.